Asus Rog Phone 2 is here, and just like its predecessor, it packs some impressive hardware to take on any task you can throw at ease. The Asus Rog Phone 2 runs Rog UI based on Android Pie, but users will reportedly get the option to switch to stock Android if they want. The phone packs a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus 1080 by 2340 pixels, AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and 10-bit HDR support. The panel has a contrast ratio of 100,000 by 1 and is protected by a layer of Gorilla Glass 6. The company tells The Verge the display has a 240 Hz touch sampling rate, giving it an industry-leading touch latency of 49 milliseconds. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus clocked at 2.9 GHz, and pairs it up with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB UFS 3.0 of internal storage. The phone will come in two storage variants, 128 GB and 256 GB. The ROG Phone 2 comes equipped with dual front-facing stereo speakers with DTS::X Ultra support. The ROG Phone 2 also brings improvements in the camera department, packing a 48-megapixel primary camera assisted by a 13-megapixel wide-angle camera with a 125 degrees field of view, while selfies will be handled by a 24-megapixel front snapper. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and Bluetooth 5.0. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, compass, proximity sensor, hall sensor, ambient light sensor, in-display fingerprint sensor, gyroscope, and an ultrasonic sensor. Just like its predecessor, the ROG Phone 2 features USB Type-C port at the bottom and a side-mounted proprietary connector for the accessories. The battery capacity of Asus next-generation gaming phone has also been increased, with the ROG Phone 2 packing a 6000 mAh battery with Quick Charge 4.0 fast charging support. In addition to the phone, Asus has also unveiled redesigned versions of the dual-screen twin-view dock and the clip-on Aeroactive cooler fan. The company has also launched a new gamepad attachment called ROG Kanai Gamepad that looks like a conventional console remote but can be detached and attached at each end of the phone, just like the Joy-Con controllers for the Nintendo Switch. More details about the phone and partner content will be revealed tomorrow.